welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm excited because finally, I've been waiting a really long time. I know I've been mentioning to you guys for a while that I'm going to be stocking me a secret in my shop. And the day has finally come that I have received the things. Well, I got them early on this week. Finally, and we're now ready to get into some of the stuff. And I'm really excited. And look, do you love this t-shirt? I love this t-shirt. Oh my god, I actually really love this t-shirt. Also, check out my Mia Secret mug that I actually filled too full. It's actually like, if you can see the handle's black, it's actually like, it changes colour with the heat. So it's all like black, and then when you put your water in, hot water, it goes white and it says Mia Secret on it. So yeah, today's video is specifically on one product that I'm going to be selling, and it is this Mia Secret Professional Acrylic Nail Kit. So this is one of the nail kits that you can get, I guess, to kind of try out Mia Secret. But I will say this is a really big kit, so it's not like a £20 little mini kit where you get a few little bits. It's huge. As like kits go, it's quite expensive, but it's got a lot in it. I'm going to get into it. I'm really excited. This obviously is going to be my own. I'm going to keep this one, and then I have 4 for sale. So if anyone in the UK is interested, please give me some messages. Well, you can message me on my Facebook page, IdleGirl, or you can leave me a comment on here and we can get in touch. Or you can go over to my website, which will be linked down below, which is just idlegirl.co.uk. Let's get into it and see what's inside. So I don't think there's like a booklet that tells you what's inside. So I'm just going to pull things out and show you. So we have a buffing block, which you guys know I love my buffing blocks because they're just so cool. Like, how does it make it go so smooth? Anyway, we've got a buffing block and we have got 3 files. Ah, that's cool. So we've got 180, 180, 100, 100 and 150, 150, which is actually really handy. So that's just them right there. I've actually got in my store, I don't know if you can see them there in the corner, but I've got some 80 by 80s. I needed them for myself because taking nails off is a nightmare, and they were going to help me debulk a lot before we soak off. So yeah, I am then seeing some nail glue. Now I'm hopefully going to be getting some of this in the next shipment to sell separately. This is a little mini brush on nail glue. I've got some lint-free wipes. Now I have got some lint-free wipes on the way that will be available soon, hopefully. So we just have a little pack of lint-free wipes. You've literally got everything you need in this kit to do nails, I'm not even joking. The only thing that isn't in here is like acetone, which, yeah, you just get some acetone, I guess. So we've got some nail tips. We have got Royal Fancy. These look like natural ones. It doesn't actually say that though. Oh yes it does. Royal Fancy Natural, Royal Fancy Ultra White. So those are the natural. Then those are the Ultra White. And then of course we have some Royal Fancy clear nail tips. And there is 20 nail tips in each one of them. Awesome! Now, I'm trying to do this in like excitement order backwards kind of. Well, this is very unexciting, but it's just a little pipette. Now, I don't really know what this is for, if I'm honest. I've never used one of these since I've been doing nails. So yeah, I've just never come across using that, but I'm sure you guys will think of lots of reasons why we would use that. We've also got a 2-in-1 Cuticle Pusher. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I like this. So it's got the Cuticle Pusher end there, and then it's got this little end there. So this is quite heavy as well, so I like that. That'll have added to the shipping costs, I'm sure. I can't even talk about the shipping, guys. It makes me really angry. We have some nail foams. Let's open these and see what they're like. There's quite a few here actually. I didn't think there was going to be that many. We've got 2 packs. Oh, they're well cute. Oh, cute. So these are like Mia Secret nail foams. And there's actually 2 packs of these, which is really good. I don't know how many's on each one, but there looks to be quite a decent amount on each one, so that is those. Right, let's get into the other stuff. Oh, we've also got a dapping dish here. If I can get it out. which I won't be using, so I might have some Depp & Dishes for sale separately. I'm going to get some in anyway, but I won't use that because I already have like 3 Depp & Dishes that I use. And yeah, so that's that. Now we've also got, which is going to come in handy. Why do I need to smell it? I need to smell it. Yeah. So this is a gel cleanser. So basically it's just like your wipe off solution for after you have done your gel polish. And this is 118ml, which is like a really good size. We've also got a hand sanitizer. I really am getting into these hand sanitizer sprays. Just smells chemically, to be fair. And this is 118ml. Does the lid go back on? Yep. And we've got the monomer. I'm not going to smell the monomer because I already know what the monomer smells like because I already use me a secret. And we've got 118ml of the monomer, which for a kit, that's like a lot. A lot of kits are more like, I think a lot of kits are 30ml, some kits are 15ml, which I just think you need more than 15ml. But this is 118ml bottle. And then the acrylic powders that we get, oh my god! We get, this is like a perfect kit, guys, I'm not even joking. We've got a pink acrylic powder, which is obviously not a cover powder, it's like just your clear pink. I'm guessing. I don't own this because I'm more about cover pinks. But this is, what have we got here? 15 grams of that. We've got 15 grams of the white acrylic powder. And we've got 15 grams of the Cover Beige acrylic powder. And then we've also got, oh, if I can get it out, a whopping 59 grams of clear acrylic powder, which I think is amazing for a kit to have. So you've got everything you need here to really test out the Mia Secret acrylic system. And then we've also got the prep stuff too. So we've got a nail prep dehydrator. These are all full size, like these are all full size items. This is 15ml. And then we've got the Mia Secret Extra Bond, which is also 15ml. So obviously that's like your primer to help it stick. Then we've got a ice gel acrylic top coat, no UV. So this is an air dry then. So there's an air dry top coat there, which looks very interesting. And we've also got, that's also 15ml, I'm guessing. Yeah. And then we've also got Mia Secret Natural Cuticle Treatment. Now, because I wanted to buy some of these. This is jasmine, but on the site I couldn't figure out which was which smell. But oh my god, that's got memories to it. That smell. So that's jasmine. I really like that one. That might be one that I might get for the shop. Maybe we'll go with jasmine. I'm not sure if all the kits have actually got the same scent in. That's actually a good point. I'll have to try and, oops. It just says Cuticle Oil, so maybe they come with different scents, but I'm really liking the jasmine. And that is 7.4 millilitres, which I think is quite, it's obviously a small one, but it's a pretty decent size for Cuticle Oil, that. We did get some wooden sticks. I'm not sure if I already showed you the wooden sticks. We did get some wooden sticks. And we also got a little dust brush. Oh, it's got a lid on it as well. I really quite like that. That's cute. But what's really exciting is we also get a Kolinsky Sable brush. Let's open this. Now, I do not need this brush. I might not use this brush actually. In fact, I might even not open it. Oh, I need to open it to show you though, right? And I might just sell this one on. And I'll show you why, even though it's not part of this video. I can't open it, guys. Got it open. We're good. Right, so this is the brush. I'm just going to show you because it has got a lid to it, which I really like. This is a Master Grand brush number 10. And I will just say, Mia Secret brushes, from my experience so far, are big to size. So this is a 10, but I would say, for me, it resembles more of a 12. Especially in some of the other brushes that I've had, it resembles more of a 12. But, so yeah, there's your lid there. But I'm probably gonna sell this one. So the reason being is that I've already got some brushes, and the brushes, I think, where are they? They're up here. So I have already got I'm just going to give you a really sneak peek of these. They're not part of this video because they don't come in this kit. But I've got this one here, which is an 8 and a 4, like a 3D one. So beautiful. And this one, which is a 10, but like I said, very big for a 10, and it's gorgeous. You're not even going to be able to see how beautiful it is. It's not even going to come off, but you're going to be seeing me use that one, the size 10, a lot. I will be using that in pretty much all of my videos, and they are available on the website to buy as well. So yeah, I will leave the link to the website down below if anybody's interested in this kit. I'm really excited. This has been the thing I was like the most excited about getting. I do use Mia Secret. I've already used Mia Secret before, but I haven't tried the cover beige. Have I? Or have I got the cover beige? It could be the cover nude that I haven't tried, but I have got some of that now. And I haven't tried the white yet, but I've tried some covers and the clear and the monomer, and I love Mia Secret so much. So on my nails now, this is Mia Secret on my nails. If you guys remember me doing these nails, you can see the growth, like how much growth there is. There's quite a lot. There's no lifting at all with these nails. Not in the slightest. Like, they're still well and truly stuck on, and that's the first time that's ever happened to me since I've been doing nails. I am quite new at it. Maybe I've just got better at it and therefore they're not lifting as much anymore, but I think even the best nail tech can still end up with some lifting sometimes, depending on the products that they're using. So far I'm feeling Mia Secret really a lot, and yeah, it just has not lifted at all. So I'm really excited! Yay! Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think of my little t-shirt. I might see if I can get another one next time. I've also got an apron, a Mia Secret apron as well, that I'm going to be using. Oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, cheers to all my homies out there. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I hope you will continue to support me, and I hope you're also going to be supporting my website. If you're interested in trying Mia Secret out, honestly, I think it's really good and it's quite affordable compared to most UK acrylic systems. They're really expensive. Mia Secret is definitely on the more affordable side, but it is bomb. Like, it's so good. I'm not even joking. So I'm going to leave this video here because otherwise it's going to be way too long. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you think about this kit, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! I love you so much. Bye!